how to connect your LG Smart TV to Wi-Fi. Now the first thing that we'll need to do is click on the settings button on the remote control, which is this one. So just click on the settings, and here once we have the settings, I'm just going to click on the top button here, this one, to go to the top, and we will select the Wi-Fi symbol. Now once we have selected the Wi-Fi symbol, I'm just going to click on the middle button here to activate this button, and it's going to take us to our connections. So we will have wired connections and we will have Wi-Fi connections. So we just want to go into the Wi-Fi connection settings. So here I've obviously connected mine to my mobile hotspot, but here you will see all of your different Wi-Fi networks, and you can select whichever one is yours, and then you'll just click on the middle button here, and it's going to ask you for a password if you have set one, and you will just type out the password right here, and after you have typed out the password, we can press enter, and this is going to connect you to your Wi-Fi. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.